In this chapter, we're studying voices. In grammar, the voice of a verb describes the relationship between the action or state that the verb expresses and the participants identified by its arguments, that is, the object or the subject. When the subject is the agent or doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. When the subject is the patient, target, or the undergoer of the action, the verb is said to be in passive voice. Rules of voices. How to change active voice into passive voice. Make the object of the active sentence the subject of the passive sentence. For example, I write a letter. This sentence is in active voice. The object of this active sentence is a letter. It becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Make the subject of the active sentence an agent of the passive sentence. The agent will be in the objective form. Use by before it. By is used when the subject is important to mention. Subject of active sentence here is I. Its object form is me. So, the phrase by me must be used. Always use third form of the verb or past participle in passive structures. The past participle will be preceded by to be form of verb as per the tense of the sentence. Please take care that to be form of verb is governed by the new subject, that is the subject of the passive sentence. For example, I write a letter. A letter is written by me would be the passive construction of the above active sentence. Another example, she is helping the students is an active voice. The students are being helped by her would be in passive voice. In the second example, the plural verb are is used as per the new subject students. Change of the subject of the active sentence into the object of the passive is done as per the following table. In the active voice, I would become me in the passive voice. He in the active voice would become him in the passive voice. You would remain the same in both. We in the active voice would become us in the passive voice. She in the active voice would become her in the passive voice. They in the active voice would become them in the passive voice. Who in the active voice would become whom in the passive voice, and it would remain the same in both. Only transitive verbs, those that take objects, can be transformed into passive constructions. Furthermore, active sentences containing certain verbs cannot be transformed into passive structures. To have is the most important of these verbs. We can say, he has a new cycle, but we cannot say, a new cycle is had by him. Here is a brief list of such verbs: resemble, look alike, equal, agree with, mean, contain, hold, compromise, lack, suit, fit, and become. These verbs are intransitive in nature. Sentences in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and future continuous can't be transformed into passive. The change of verbs tense-wise takes place as per the following table. Simple present tense. If the active verb is write or writes, the passive verb would be am, is, or are, and the form to be written is. In the simple present tense, the active verb would be write or writes, and the passive verbs are am, is, or are. The to be form is written. In the simple past tense, the active verb is write, and the passive verb can be was or were. The to be form is written, and so on as mentioned in the table. To conclude, In a transformation from an active voice clause to an equivalent passive voice construction, the subject and the direct object switch grammatical roles.